Right, here we come to the elevator at the Durham Convention Center in downtown Durham, North Carolina. This one is a classic Dover traditional. And it works. This thing is quite slow. And here it is. No bell indicator. Look how big this cab is. Ooh, Dover Impulse. See what kind of call station I have on the outside on this floor. Classic Dover traditional. Anyways, look how big this thing is. This is a very deep elevator cab. It's got the old bumper. I put in an 88 foam. This is one of the biggest elevator I've ever seen. Hospital size with a center opening door. You can get the whole thing, almost get the whole entire thing in the frame, but not necessarily. I've never seen a Dover elevator this big before with a center opening door. 1994. Unfortunately, you can't hear the motor because of that fan. Classic Dover traditional on the outside and Impulse on the inside. There it goes, and that's it.